Apply WD-40 to your car engine before spending hundreds of dollars on unnecessary repairs. Watch this. There are specific points on your car that most routine service visits don't explain in detail. I'll show you exactly where WD-40 can be applied correctly and why these spots matter. Let's start with the headlights. If the surrounding surface or certain exterior components are dirty, dusty, or have light grime buildup, apply a small amount of WD-40 to a cloth and wipe the appropriate surface. Work gently and evenly, then buff it with a clean microfiber cloth for a cleaner-looking finish. Next, if your key feels difficult to insert or the lock mechanism feels stiff, apply a small amount of WD-40 to the lock mechanism. Work the key gently in and out rather than forcing it. This can help loosen light grime and reduce friction in the mechanism. Now listen closely. If your door makes an annoying squeaking or creaking sound every time you open it, the hinges may need lubrication. Apply a small amount to the hinge points. Move the door back and forth a few times and wipe away excess product. That simple step can help quiet down a noisy hinge. Moving inside the car, if the ignition key feels stiff or the mechanism is difficult to operate, don't force it. A small amount of the appropriate lubricant can help with light mechanical friction, but always check your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations first, especially with modern electronic ignition systems. Next up is the trunk. If the trunk latch feels stiff or doesn't release smoothly, inspect the latch mechanism and apply a small amount of lubricant where appropriate. Open and close the trunk several times to distribute it, then wipe away any excess. Having trouble opening the fuel door? Don't pull or force it. Check the latch and hinge area. Then use a small amount of suitable lubricant on the mechanical contact points. Work the mechanism gently until it moves smoothly again. Here's an important one. If you notice corrosion around the battery terminals, don't spray WD-40 directly onto the electrical connections and assume the corrosion is fixed. First, switch the vehicle off and follow the manufacturer's battery cleaning procedure. Corrosion should be properly removed and the terminals inspected before reconnecting them. Next, the hood latch. If the front hood feels difficult to open, inspect the latch and release mechanism. A small amount of suitable lubricant on the mechanical latch points can help keep the mechanism moving smoothly. Never force the hood if the release cable or latch appears damaged. And now, here's the final result under the hood. After carefully applying WD-40 to the appropriate external mechanical areas and wiping away built-up grime, dirt, and oily residue, the engine bay looks noticeably cleaner and more refreshed. The treated metal components have a cleaner appearance, while light surface grime is easier to remove with a microfiber cloth.